Hi guys, on the previous video I showed you the Omega CZ75B Omega, and I mentioned that it is convertible between manual safety and decocker. So in the box you get this with the gun. So this is currently set up as a manual safety, and I will put the conversion in to make it a decocker. And then I'll take the decocker out and then put the manual safety back in. Just for the YouTube police out there, this is not a modification. This is what this is how the gun is designed. It just gives you options of how you want to set the gun up. So this comes in the box with a gun, and you got the choice how you want to run it. So not a modification, not an alteration to the firearm. We'll just pull it apart as per normal. So to do that is you push down on the ejector. You push down on the ejector while you pull out the safety. You're going to push the safety out. Then you swing the right hand switch, you swing that up, push down on the trigger bow or trigger bar, whatever you want to call it, and then swing that up, and then you can pull that one out. Okay, with the manual safety out, you can see that the machining of the slide has got recesses in there, and that's for the detent for the safety is on the actual safety lever, not like on the B series where the detent is sitting on the inside behind the sear cage. So this is on the outside. So to get the decocker safety in, you start by the putting in the right-handed side safety first, and you just got to push down on that trigger bow, get that in the up position, and then just give that a wiggle, and you get it clipped in, and then you push down on it to that position there, get it into the horizontal, and then see there's a little tube. See if I can get it to show up at the tip of the tool there. There's a little tube, and that's for the return spring for the decocker. So that long leg goes in there, and this short leg faces forward. So you get that long leg into that little tube, into that little hole in the tube. Something like that. So the left side lever you push down on the ejector, get that through. And you gotta just kind of navigate your way through there. You need to get it in the horizontal position because it needs to engage on that square that side. Got that there. Get it, and when you get to a certain point there, you got to let go of the ejector, and then it click in, and then there's your decocker. Now that spring, it needs to click in under that lever on the there's a L-shaped lever going that way, so that short leg needs to go in under that. I use this forked tool to get that in and around. Okay, I got it. You get it in, unhook it around that, and that makes that lever spring loaded. Makes it jump back up. Do a quick assembly just for you to see the benefit of that. There's your decock, ready to go on double action. like that, just not in my way like the other one. On the regular BD models, it's got the decocker at the back there. It interferes with my thumb. Now I'm going to pull it out and put the manual safety back in. So to get it out, it's the same thing. You just depress on the depress the ejector, pull out on this safety, and just wiggle that out. Got that out. Pull your spring out. That in the 12 o'clock position, and just pull that out. So that's stripped out. Get this one back. Get it into the 12 o'clock position. Push down on your trigger bar. Get it down to the vertical position. Get that one in there. Now you got no spring to contend with. Push down on your ejector. Get it into the square on the other side. And now you got manual safety. Fire, caulked, safe. Anyway guys, hope you found that interesting and it helped somebody out there. Stay safe. We talk again. Cheers.